So the seagull
Have the bag, look.
is trying to get the barbecue hula
No,
hoops
he's in the wrong bag.
3
Look,
times,
he's looking in the wrong
but
bag.
they've been put in the bag and the zip's been put up. It keeps coming back. Oh look, it's found the bag. It's going to pick the bag up, watch. It's going to take the bag.
You see how heavy the bag is?
No, it's like that. I'm going to take your trainer instead because you pissed me off.
Yeah.
That's determined, man. They're like pterodactyls.
Look. Oh, John's coming over there.
Oh yeah.
John's
I'll get it
come
for
over
you,
there.
mate. Look. Both of us can get it.
Dave, you grab the other end, mate. I'll grab that one. What bag's it in?
Look, it's determined to nick something. Jesus.
Fucking comical.
What has he took? What's that?
I found it. I don't know what it is. A little bag of weed, probably. She's throwing it out. Look, it's shaking everywhere. I don't know. Oh, I think it is.
Damien.
It is. Look.
It's not, it was his hot dog thing. Stupid.
He's like, what are you just found here?
Well, they ain't interested in it. He's like, I want them barbecue hoops. They're in there. Look.
Oh, it's mine, I found it.
Now they're going to kick off. They're determined. That man's determined. That one's determined to get his hula hoops.
It's crab meat.
Look.
Oh!
Oh! How vicious, man.
Yeah, they are.
It's a bit vicious, isn't it? Oh, it's a worm, isn't it?
Oh, it's not. It's crab bait. Look, you've got a crab. He's got a crab lying down there. Got a little bag of bait.
Look at that. He's nasty.
Yeah.
Why is it a different colour? What's that about?
Because it's a young one.
So the young is beating the olders up. That's terrible. He's telling him that.
He wants your hula hoops, mate. That's what.
Yeah. Rescued.